Good morning, Judd here. Doing a little garden work today, and if you've been paying attention, you ought to know what I'm doing right now. Walking over back to the backstairs storage area. Look at there. See that little baby? There is my cedar post. Well, I got a couple of posts, but I'm going to choose this one. No, that's too big. You know what? Yeah. Oh, I hate to take that one. Now this is the one I was prepping to polish up and everything. This other one looks like it might just be too big. I don't know. It is one heck of a thing. Okay, I'm going to pull that one out and see what it looks like. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty tall. I wonder if I could take half of it maybe. Decisions. The idea here is to create a support for my dragon cactus. Big. Okay, I have to think about this. Okay, just found another one. It looks just about right, like Goldilocks there. That one looks just about right, 4 feet or so. I think that'll be just about the right height for that dragon fruit. Okay, so time to start digging. Actually, the first thing I want to do is move this pencil cactus out from here where it's not going to be seen. Carefully get that out of there and move that out to a more frontal position. So that's where we're going to start. Okay, so there we go for the moment. I got my post in and I got 2 shoots strapped to it. So to give them a little guidance until they plant some roots into the board, into the stump, and take it up on their own. The rest of this we'll just let run wild across the garden. And I also got my pencil cactus in here, so hopefully that'll do real nice right there. That'll get a little more sun there, be in a better spot to enhance the overall appearance. So there you go, Lucinda's garden at Judd's house. Happy day to ya.